What's up, everybody? It's your boy Chubbs. Welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be slapping on some banners on the Sierra and the 2016 Silverado. I did have a white one for the giveaway truck, but one of the homies was excited about buying one, so he came and picked it up, even though they're not in stock yet online or anything. So I just hooked him up with it. These are the banners. Let me show you guys. Oh, and as you guys seen, we also got the headlights for the giveaway truck as well. They're freaking badass. Like, the quality is way better than the Denali's headlights. These things are like, those things are actually a little heavier. These are like all straight cheap plastic from China, you know. So like, as you can tell, this one's broken. What the hell? The truck's all dirty. Well, yeah, it's broken, and it's gonna have a better set and better quality headlights. The thing that sucks is I couldn't find a different company that does these that are better quality. This quality are really bad, but they look badass. Let's see if we could get these things installed. Let me open them real quick so you guys can check them out. Here they are. So if you guys want a certain color, hit me up and I'll get some printed and throw them up on the website. They're gonna be, the regular colors are gonna be 25 bucks, and then these holographic shiny ones are gonna be 30, so not including shipping and tax. So hit me up, guys. Let me put it down in the comments what color you guys want a banner. So this Silverado is gonna get this black one, and then the Denali is gonna get this holographic shiny one. Although I'm not sure if I should put it on this windshield because it does have that big ass crack in the middle. I don't know if you guys can see it from this angle. Right there, that big ass fucking crack. So I don't know if I should put it on. I can't tell if that's right in the middle or not. Maybe a little bit more to the left. Alright, so just do that. Okay, I'm not ready. Alright guys, I'm scared. I'll be mad if it don't come out good. Oh shit. Alright, now slowly and slowly we'll start putting it on by taking off this middle part that I messed up. Alright. I don't know if you guys could tell where I messed it up, but hopefully you can't. There it is, guys. Yep, that's just crooked as fuck. Yeah, I'm gonna have to order another one, guys. Should have put the B a little bit lower. Oh well. It's not that bad, right, guys? Alright, guys. Damn, look at that freaking matte black one, guys. Look. God damn, that's stealthy. What you guys think? You like it? Hell yeah, look at that. God damn. That one I did way better. It's actually like really, really straight. This one's still not that bad. But yes, I am going to replace it. Get a better one. Because look at that. It should be straight like that. But now it's crooked. It's okay. Alright guys, now main part of this video, let's install these new generation headlights that are way better quality than the ones on the Sierra. Check that out. Oh yeah, let's do it.
Una pizza con papel en tortilla también a rolar. Al mirar, dile que vuelva y aquí la voy a esperar. Corrido, voy a afinar mi acordeón. Recordando a un buen amigo que se llama Juan del estado de Durango. Les hablo de un marihuano conocido como el gordo. 100% michoacano, ella me la robo. No importa que sea más de oro. Aquí seguimos.
Alright guys, there they are, new generation headlights. What a difference. Look at that. Alright, we're just gonna adjust it so it won't be difference in the gap, and then we'll turn them on, see how they look. Well, obviously this isn't going to turn on because they're not connected. We're going to wait till we get the fog lights as well, but let's change out this side real quick. There it is, guys. All right, let's put the hood down. And like I said, guys, 4.8 truck's got a V8 4.8, little V8, but you guys will be getting a V8. All right, let's see. God damn, what a difference. Jesus, look at the difference, guys. That is beautiful. So like I said, I just gotta adjust them real quick so they could fit perfectly, and then once we do the whole front HD front end swap, which we're doing this Sunday. And also guys, this Saturday I'm gonna be doing a live video. It's gonna be a live coronavirus meet, since none of us, I don't know if you guys seen the post I put up a few days ago about a truck meet being this Saturday here in Fontana. Well, it's canceled because of the coronavirus, and we're not supposed to be doing any kind of public or private meetings with 10 or more people or whatever, you know. You guys just seen all that. I'm sure you guys are all updated with all this. So a few of the homies are gonna be coming over. We're gonna be doing a live video here, a live truck meet, and he's gonna be raffling off his off-road rims because we're supposed to do it that day. And also guys, I am also doing a raffle on my gimbal that I use for filming. So if any of you guys want to enter, no matter where you are, I can ship it out to you if you win. Pretty much I have a jar of numbers from 1 through 40. I'll pull a number for you if you're not close by and you can't pull it yourself, or if you just don't want to pull it yourself, I'll pull it for you. And whatever number is pulled out, that's the price you pay. So let's say you pull out number 1, you're gonna pay $1 to get entered. So it's worth a try. So hit me up if you guys want to enter the giveaway, the raffle of the gimbal. And like I was saying, for Saturday, stay tuned. We're gonna be going live at 12 p.m. Pacific time, and it's gonna go all the way until probably like 2 p.m., maybe 2 hours chilling, drinking some beers, and answering some of you guys' questions if you guys want. Nice, man. Real nice. Also, if you guys want a banner, they will be going on sale pretty soon. Let me know what colors you want and I'll post them up for you guys. Hell yeah. We are also going to be putting one on this truck, maybe just a plain white one. So stay tuned, guys. A lot to come. Alright guys, we're going to be ending the video right here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you guys are new to the channel, subscribe, like, comment for some more, and get ready for this truck giveaway. So as of now, you guys can enter already, and you guys will be seeing the process of the truck and how it's going to come out and everything. So pretty much every $10 you spend on the website, you get 1 entry. So if you buy a banner, depending what banner you get, you're either gonna get 2 or 3 entries. The shiny ones and the matte ones are gonna be 30 bucks, and the regular colors are gonna be 25. So go check them out, guys. Go check out the stickers and everything. Like I said, these are gonna be up for sale pretty soon. So if you want to wait for those, just put down in the comments you're gonna wait for those, and so I can post them up for you guys. And like, we got some shirts, got hats. Check them out, guys. Enter the giveaway. Like I said, you guys are gonna see the process of this mamalona. And besides the live, next video we're gonna be putting these fog lights in finally and turning on those LED bars. So stay tuned. Make sure you guys check out the merch. I forgot what this is. Let's open it. Let's see. What did I order? Ah, okay. Right here we got a Bill Crew long sleeve. Oh shit, you guys can't even see. Long sleeve right there. Extended cab boys with the badass HD01 in the back. Extended cab as well. And then one of the new Big O Crew shirts. So yeah, go check out the merch. You'll get entered. You'll get entered to win this mamalona over here once it's ready. All right, peace out, guys.